Okay, guys, this is out the shower after applying my face. I'm still using this, baby. Still using this jammy right here. Okay, this is what I want to say though. So you see how the hair is like this? Don't be looking at my tender spots. And maybe like over here and right here. Y'all see how this look right here? I wouldn't apply product. This has to be re-wet. Say it with me. Re-wet. And that wasn't even with special effects. Okay, so I'm going to wet these areas again and then apply the product. And that's what you guys should also be doing. Okay, so now the area has been rehydrated. Taking my honey curl forming custard. I'm gonna curl form this baby. Oh my goodness. So, right now, since this is the longest part of my hair, I'm bald-headed. I'm literally making a mess. But I'm just applying it with my hand and putting it all over because I can't really lift my hand on this side. I'm putting it in like messy, but this is not what I taught you. So I'm putting in a bunch, just a bunch. I'm making it gooey. Gooey and kind of gross. I'm gonna have to use this hand. Favorite brush. And I'm just going to, look at this. Look at that. And I'm doing this, oh, look at this. So literally, all the mush I just put in, this is just me distributing it because my hand cannot, and repositioning it where I want it to fall. How beautiful that is. But that is not how you are going to brush your hair to get your curls, okay? So the idea is to brush, separate, fluff. Like let them, oh that hurts, why am I doing that? Brush, separate, fluff. Brush, separate, fluff, right? Because you want some air to get in there as it's drying. You feel me? So, brush, fluff. You don't want to be like this. Brush, separate, fluff. Brush, separate, fluff. So it's kind of like a flick of the wrist. Brush, separate, fluff. Brush, separate, fluff. Maybe towards, what the back look like, y'all? What's this looking like? Ooh, ooh. What's this looking like? What's this looking like? I feel like I'm kind of where I want to be. Where I want to be. Yeah, I'm feeling a little Donnell Jones-ish. Where I want to be. Oh yeah, this is where I want to be. Oh yeah, right there. I'm just gonna do a little zonga zay at my sides. And I'm gonna dry. Be right back. I am still using the honey curl forming custard. Like I'm telling you, ladies with shortcuts and curly hair, and like a more natural look, like meaning Eco Styler is too hard and you just want something, oh, come on, something to set your hair. Hold up. Something to set your hair naturally. Something to set your hair naturally and be like, oh, this This how my hair curls. It's just me doing its own thing. Meanwhile, you got a whole baby hairbrush. But gonna love it. Y'all gonna love it. Honey curl forming custard, right? It doesn't hold down for that rock hard eco look. Don't be looking at my tender spots, y'all. It doesn't hold it down rock hard like eco styler, but it's soft enough to manipulate. Ooh. Let's get this dry. This right here. You see it? That's the beauty of this. It is non-white, non-gooey, it's not dripping. It's just doing what I want my hair to do. Okay, so now for real, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so this is the end result of my wild dry. And guess what stayed? Now, my real only job is to do nothing. No, is to just manipulate it how I want, because the cut is still pretty fresh. So my hair is doing exactly what I want. The back of my hair is still a little damp, but that's okay. And let's see if I could change the, here we go. So this is where we at. Can't hold the phone too long. Let me lean on this. So this is where we at. This is where we at. This one is still a little wet, but it's okay. Kamita Baker is back. Yes.
When I lose my way, your love comes smiling on me. I saw your face, and then I knew